Hey guys, we're at another one for this weekend. Here, I'm gonna wait. Come over here for what?
Are you going to be here for a little bit? I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Alright.
Or do you need to go?
No.
All right, you stay right here. I'll be right back.
Alright. So we got this. I don't. What type of train is this one? Productive in Wars 2001. And there, I haven't found any crossings. Hold on, I'm gonna go on the other side. And we're gonna have a meet. I'm gonna wait right here. Alright, let's see what type of train this is. Oh, there's a railroad here, but it's no date. Alright, what type of train? Oh, it's Santa Fe. I've been here before and there was a railroad, I think. I do have enough memory to record a few minutes of it. Okay, we got this one. Train horn.
Yep. Just for you.
Bonnet horn. They put a blocker. Gotta be careful not film people without their consent. Alright, there's some. Yeah, I'm gonna actually film it on this railroad right here where there's not a lot of people. Gotta wait on him and then we'll continue exploring. Here it comes, the train. Max, we're gonna film all of the cars go through this time and then catch up to it. Might not be able to go anywhere else, so we'll have to wait. Alright. I see him, so going too low. Intermol. There you go. Yeah, I got the whole thing this time. Now we can go explore all the other maps now. I know there was a railroad here, maybe. Alright, there's a Canadian National. There's a Canadian National. I'll film the whole thing. This is actually my friend's favorite train, Canadian National. Traffic. I'll eventually go to the railroad, guys. It'll be a few minutes. We're gonna actually watch this train go through real quick. That horn is so loud. Alright, I'm gonna go find the railroad. Yeah, there's no railroad here for some reason. I thought there was, unless that I know they might have one here somewhere. Just trying to keep looking around. What's this? No. We're just trying to explore around a little bit here. Okay, we got people. I have to. I think there's one right here. There's a railroad here. see a train coming. We got a railroad right here.
Is
There's a railroad.
Back in that back corner, it looked like there was a lot going on over there in that back corner.
Just do not move. We're exploring here and we got a railroad and the train's over there. It's way far.
What you waiting for?
To see if this railroad actually will activate. Should activate here soon. The train is like down there.
I doubt it. I don't think that doesn't have an activation.
I don't know. We'll find out. Looks like there's 2 railroads here. And they're trying to stop. Oh, wait. Train's coming. We got a train, so now we might get to see if it actually turns on. There's... Alright, let's see. There's the horn. Nope. Told you it doesn't work. Sorry.
That's a long way.
No railroad here.
Let's go back in that back corner.
I think it might be at this big one. It could be.
Smoky.
Okay, we got a bed still here. Let's take a look at this. And we got more over here. Let's take a look to see if we can get some over here. Hi, Tuck.
There's something going on over here. You need to see this.
Whoa. Okay, the railroad's here. Oh, we got one at work. Train. And the railroad works here. Only that one. What the heck?
There's signals there.
We got a Norfolk Southern, I think. Yeah, I think you control this one. That one was the one I controlled, maybe. Autovac. And then somewhere over here was a railroad. With dents, I think. I figured it out right here. Right here is where it's smoky. Right here. I think so. Whoa, fast train. Amtrak. 2 Amtrak. I think there's only one crossing here. Can't film people here.
It's the only time I know it does on that one.
Started to film.
So I'm just letting you know
What's
what's
that?
going on.
Why is that about work?
I don't know. Oh, well, who's gonna ready to put it on? Are you gonna put it on?
Train.
Watch what, buddy? I don't know, but I don't know. Do you want to ask him?
They took us up to the control tower where you can see down on all the tracks there.
Do you want me to ask him?
Boards with all these lines ready
Here, come over here. You're gonna ask me too.
Turn it off. Give me a signal. It's usually there's no other question here. Go ahead.
There's a railroad crossing right in front of us.
Yes.
It does not work.
Lights aren't flashing.
Lights
No.
are not flashing.
They were flashing this morning. We're gonna have a wreck.
Oh no, that one is flashing.
They were.
Yeah, you got the two back there in front of us.
They've been.
We've got some sticklers here for you too.
They've been damaged.
All right, Seth, watch out. He's gonna take a look.
That's been glued, and that one's been
That
glued.
one's working. Yep.
Yeah, this one's working. This one was working this morning.
Okay. Hey, Seth, it's just not working right now. Okay.
Got a wiring problem there.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate you guys doing
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Oh, thank you, thank you.
All right, Seth. Maybe they'll fix it later. Okay.
That one is actually flashing. Alright. Better see if I can. Who is driving this one?
I don't know who's driving. That guy there might be driving. I think we're going to clean up the property. He's gone now. All I gotta do is pay for the plane fare and my food.
Don't waste all your memory recording videos.
No, he's got to make it go one way. He'll check the engine.
The other side, he was working on one.
I don't know where it is. Keep the seat track.
Yeah. Part of that train you saw, yeah.
To look at that one. I like the windmill.
That a train?
The train?
Oh, it's stopping.
Was that head stand? Okay. I'm just starting to learn about trains. My son loves them. I didn't really know what it meant. I knew it was smaller, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah, these are half size of HO.
Okay.
It's so still.
These are 160.
Okay. So we have a little Disney train, and that's
Don't you love one of those?
No.
Don't you do?
small
search, see
train
if
over
anybody
here.
has recorded for Route 38.
Sorry.
Taylor, you gotta be mindful of not bumping into people.
Right. No, I just wondered. He didn't bring it.
Ah,
Seen any more gate crossing?
that a train over here. I want to see what type of train this is.
You want to
Trying
head
to
towards
find
the
it.
train sounds? Okay.
Ah, it's because I messed something up with the video.